Did you know you can send SMS messages directly from your AI coding assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to connect OpenAI Codex to Ozeki SMS Gateway and start sending text messages right from the command line. Let's get started. How does this solution work? Codex connects to the SMPP SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol, and Ozeki SMS Gateway forwards the messages to the SMS service provider over SMPP, which delivers them to the recipient's mobile phone. What is OpenAI Codex? OpenAI Codex is a terminal-based AI coding agent developed by OpenAI that allows developers to interact with AI models directly from the command line and call external tools through MCP servers. What is an SMPP SMS MC server? Is a standardized software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway system, enabling the AI to autonomously send and receive SMS messages. To install Ozeki SMS Gateway, download the installer from the website, extract it, and run the executable to complete the installation on your Windows machine or server. Once installed, the gateway will start automatically, and its web-based management interface will be accessible from your browser. To connect Ozeki SMS Gateway to the mobile network, set up an SMPP client connection in the Connections panel. Enter the host, port, and credentials provided by your SMS service provider. Then save and activate the connection. To create an MCP user account, click Add New User Application and select the MCP user type. Enter a username and password, then generate an API key in the Advanced tab and store it safely for the next steps. To add the SMS MCP server config to Codex, open the config, tom a file in a text editor and save the changes. Launch Codex from a fresh terminal and run the MCP command to verify the connection status. To test SMS sending, type your SMS request in plain language in the Codex prompt and press Enter. The AI agent will invoke the MCP tool to deliver the message, and you can confirm the result in the terminal. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway and navigate to the MCP user details page. In the event log, you will see an entry for the outgoing message confirming it was processed by the gateway. In this guide, you have learned how to connect OpenAI Codex to Ozeki SMS Gateway's built-in SMS MCP server and send SMS messages directly from the terminal by installing the gateway, setting up an SMPP connection, creating an MCP user account, and configuring the MCP endpoint in Codex. You now have a fully functional on-premises SMS integration that your AI agent can use to communicate with any mobile phone.